Alright, so here is this phone theme. This is a free phone theme. That is the name and that is the creator. I'll be applying this, and this is a previous one that I've showed you guys, but this one is blue. As you guys can see, the last video I had a white background. This one is like a periwinkle blue color with the same image and the same aesthetic and same look. I really like how they have this like duo. I think it looks really cute. It has the same icons as well, super girly, just like random icons like as well. And then we have purple on the other ones, and that one had a periwinkle blue aesthetic. So I like the two different colors. This one is super cute with all the blue. The messaging and keyboard looks like this. It's just all blue with hints of pink. I love this color in general, so I really like how it looks. And this is the lock screen. The lock screen has the same image, just a blue color. Really pretty as well. And I love how like kawaii it is. And then it also has the same always on display image as well. Super cutesy. And then I'll be showing you guys the wallpapers. So the wallpapers look like this. Look how cute is this image that I found. So it is milk unicorn flavor little carton, and I feel like this is the perfect lock screen image because it ties in with the unicorn, but it's super like aesthetic. And it's super cute and eye-catching, so I'm gonna apply that, and then I'll also show you guys the next wallpaper. So the next one is the same pastel stars image that I used in my previous one. I just really enjoy this overall look and how it looks really clean and fits really well with this phone theme. So it is a pastel color with pink and just a bunch of little stars that tie into like the applications, the icons, and it looks really well with all of the colors put together. So I feel like this one was really appropriate for this unicorn aesthetic as well. And it looks really cute. Look at this lock screen image. You're gonna get lots of compliments on this because it's just so cute. Plus it's free. So if you guys like this idea, like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.